In the Bayer vinegar oxidation, reagent used is per acid. So ultimately reaction is nothing but oxygen insertion reaction. Oxygen, this is a ketone. Ketone is converted to ester in the presence of per acid. See, of course, per acid do epoxidation, but if, see, when epoxidation is take place, whenever double bond is available, but if double bond is not available, then per acid definitely undergoes Bayer vinegar oxidation and oxygen insertion take place. Now oxygen is inserted between migrating group and you can say carbonyl group. Oxygen insertion take place between migrating group and carbonyl group. Here it is oxygen insertion reaction. So you are getting ester. Here nucleophilic migration is there. Group which is migrated by taking electron pair. This group is migrated by taking electron pair. R dash having higher migrating aptitude than R. Of course, if phenyl ring is more migrating with phenyl ring with electron donating group is more nucleophilic, then next migrating power is of phenyl ring, then phenyl ring with electron withdrawing group, followed by alkyl group. This is the migrating aptitude. Suppose you are having this type of the phenyl ring, then where is oxygen is insert? Oxygen is insert between which ring is more nucleophilic? This is migrating aptitude. So see oxygen is insert between phenyl ring and carbonyl group because phenyl ring having higher migrating power. But if you are having two phenyl ring with a electron withdrawing group and one ring having electron donating group is there. Now where is oxygen insertion take place? ચાલો ઓક્સિજન ક્યાં ઇન્સર્ટ થશે? Am I audible? So where is oxygen insertion take place? કઈ જગ્યાએ ઓક્સિજન ઇન્સર્ટ થશે? ફિનાઇલ રિંગ અને કાર્બોનિલ વચ્ચે because electron withdrawing group make electron ring more electron this benzene ring makes electron deficient. આપણે તો ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રીચ જોઈએ એ ગ્રુપ માઇગ્રેટ થશે ન્યુક્લિયોફિલિકલી. Migration is take place from carbonyl carbon to oxygen. Nucleophilic migration થાય એમાં. If you look at its mechanism, then you can easily understand it. NO2 group is electron withdrawing. So it's make a electron this ring electron deficient. But if you having this type of group is suppose available in the electron donating group, so definitely migration take place on this side. This ring is more nucleophilic. These are the product. Look at its mechanism. And mechanism become mechanism is very simple. It is nothing but suppose this is the compound. So first step is in the presence of pore acid. Pore acid protonation take place on oxygen. Protonation take place on oxygen. It abstract the proton. This is the first step. And you are getting peroxide ion over here. Next step is nucleophilic attack over here. So it gives tetrahedral intermediate. Tetrahedral intermediate. Followed by next step is group migration. From carbonyl carbon to oxygen. See, this group is electron rich, so it migrates from carbonyl carbon to oxygen with departure of this one. So RCOO minus is a byproduct, and you are getting this product. I have group which is migrated. R dash migrate nucleophilically from carbon to oxygen. Last step is first step is protonation. Last step is deprotonation. Deprotonation. So this proton is abstract by this group. So you are getting RCOO H plus RCOO OR dash ester. So this is the mechanism. In this way, oxygen is inserted between migrating group and ring which is having migrating group and carbonyl group. Migrating group means it's a nucleophilic migration. So electron rich ring undergoes migration. So you can just compare with metachlorobenzoic acid or any pore acid. Suppose this type of simple bond is available, so of course it undergoes, for example, this type of carbonyl group is not there, but simple double bond is available. This type of reaction is given like TB DMS Cl. TBDMSCl means it is nothing but tertiary butyl. TB means tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl. This is a tertiary butyl group. Dimethyl silyl chloride. This is a dimethyl silyl chloride. This is the reagent. So if you then you are getting product A over here. Now A, which is on reaction with metachlorobenzoic acid in the presence of CH2Cl2, then you are getting B. And if you do direct C metachlorobenzoic acid over here, then you may have a reaction which is take place in a same direction because of the hydrogen bond. In a hydrogen bond, this is because of the H bonding. But here what happens, this will OH will make attack on this one, and it is converted to this compound. Product here become this one. Oxygen may attach with silicon, which is having 2 methyl group and 1 tertiary butyl in this way. So byproduct is HCl. So now this is a sterically hindered group, bulky group. So epoxidation takes place in opposite direction. There is no chances of hydrogen bond now. So you can have a epoxidation in opposite direction because there is no possibility of hydrogen bond at all. But now we are going to study is a Baeyer-Villiger reaction, that is nothing but oxygen insertion. Suppose this type of compound is given, which is having no, this is cyclic ketone having no double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond is not there. So in the presence of metachloroperbenzoic acid, it undergoes Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. Six-member ring may gets converted to 7-member. This is the ester. But see, both the things are available in the molecule. Like double bond is also available, as well as you can say ketone group is also available. For example, this type of compound is there. So BN of this group may be on this side. So BN. What happens in the both the case? Suppose you are having metachloroperbenzoic acid. So because of see this group is very close to, you can say very close to double bond. This group is oxygen group is very close to double bond. So it abstract the electrons of double bond towards it. So this group you can say it's electron, this double bond is electron deficient. It is not an electron, or you can say it's less electron rich or less electron rich. But this group is away from double bond, so this double bond is more electron rich. So if double bond is more electron rich, then it is favored for formation of epoxide formation. So epoxidation takes place here. Suppose it is also substituted. Then epoxidation is take place at substituted double bond in this way. Epoxidation takes place over here. It undergoes epoxidation formation. But what happens? Here reaction is take place is epoxidation. But this double bond is electron deficient and therefore it undergoes simply ester formation, that is called oxygen insertion. It's a Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. Oxygen insertion takes place. So this is called Baeyer-Villiger. Okay, in the one case it is epoxidation, and in one case it is Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. So depending on types of reagent. Suppose this is the compound. You may have this compound with double bond, and here suppose methyl group, and here it's a tertiary butyl group. Both are in a same site. Now if you used here metachloroperbenzoic acid, then what happens? Metachloroperbenzoic acid, then reaction which is take place because of this is a bulky group, so epoxidation is take place in opposite direction. You know very well. But if you use other two reagent like NBS first, N-bromosuccinimide, so first bromination take place. In opposite direction, followed by reaction with NaOH. So OH minus will make nucleophilic attack over here. Like SN2 type reaction. Finally, this undergoes epoxidation formation. So H is removed from here and Br is from here. So you are getting epoxide in a side of bulky group, say. So in this way, depending on the particular reagent, which product is you are getting, you can decide it. Suppose this type of reagents are there, then there is no question mark for competition. Suppose here it may be H is there or methyl is there at junction. Whatever the group is there, so you can do the reaction with metachloroperbenzoic acid. So epoxidation takes place on side of less bulky group. But see, if you having one equivalent reagent, here methyl group is available and here methoxy group is there. So if you having see simply one metachloroperbenzoic acid, one equivalent, then what you can do? On which side epoxidation takes place? Which double bond is electron rich? Anybody, please?
मिथाइल वाला.
Why the double bond is not electron rich? Reason is એને મિથાઇલ કીધું બરોબર કીધું ને ઇન્ડક્ટિવ ઇફેક્ટ જોઈને કીધું કે ઓક્સિજન ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ખેંચી લે પોતાના તરફ તો ઇન્ડક્ટિવ ઇફેક્ટ થ્રુ ઓક્સિજન જો પોતાના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ખેંચી લે સો આ ડબલ બોન્ડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ડેફિશિયન્ટ બની જાય ને મિથાઇલ ગ્રુપ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન આપે એટલે ઇટ ઇઝ I પ્લસ ગ્રુપ એટલે ઇન્ડક્ટિવ મિથાઇલ ગ્રુપ વાળો ડબલ બોન્ડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રીચ છે બટ સી આ મિથોક્સી ગ્રુપના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન છે ઇટ ઇઝ ડબલ બોન્ડ સિંગલ બોન્ડ ડબલ બોન્ડના કોન્જ્યુગેશનમાં છે એટલે આ રીતે રેઝોનન્સ દ્વારા ઇલેક્ટ્રોન આપી શકે ઇટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ R પ્લસ ગ્રુપ અને રેઝોનન્સ ઇફેક્ટ ઇઝ મોર ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ધેન ઇન્ડક્ટિવ પહેલાં રેઝોનન્સ જ જોવાની સૌથી પહેલાં રેઝોનન્સ આવે પછી હાઇપર કોન્જ્યુગેશન આવે એન્ડ ધેન યુ આર હેવિંગ ઇન્ડક્ટિવ ઇફેક્ટ બરાબર સપોઝ આની સેકન્ડ ચેક કર્યું તો હાઇપર કોન્જ્યુગેશન આવે ધેન ઇન્ડક્ટિવ સો હિયર ઇટ્સ ધીસ ગ્રુપ ઇઝ રેઝોનન્સ ડોનર એટલે આ ડબલ બોન્ડ વધુ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રીચ થશે it is electron rich and therefore reaction may take place at this double bond. It is electron rich. Metachloroperbenzoic acid is given, then it may take place in a first step. Reaction may take place over here. Here it's epoxidation, and suppose followed by in the presence of BF3 is given Lewis acid. So BF3 having see this type of structure, trigonal planar with vacant orbital on it. So these electrons of oxygen may accommodate into this vacant orbital. As a result, what happens? Hydrate shifting which take place. You may got this one. This bond is open up, so here positive charge. Oxygen may combine with BF3. So BF3 got this electron pair and therefore it is negatively charged. Finally, hydrate shifting take place from here. This group migrated nucleophilically from here. So you are getting this carbon getting positive charge. Then followed by using lone pair of oxygen. So this charge gets removed. Finally, BF3 gets removed. So you are getting stable product, this one ketone. So this is also application of metachloroperbenzoic acid. Suppose you are having here silicon trimethyl group is there departing, and here you are having OH. Then when you treat this is with base KH, base potassium hydride. So base abstract this proton, OH proton. This is a weak base abstract this proton. So you may got minus here, and then this O minus will make, then followed by C, it will make a attack on silicon. In this way, reaction takes place in a cyclic way. This is form a bond here, and this bond is back. So ultimately, you are getting double bond. And once a double bond is formed over here, in this way, see, this is the way it gives double bond. And once the double bond is formed, then it can easily undergo reaction with metachloroperbenzoic acid. And if reaction takes place using metachloroperbenzoic acid, then you can have a reaction via hydrogen bond formation. So epoxide formation takes place in the same side of OH group because of the hydrogen bond. ઘણી વખત આ રીતે combined problem પણ પૂછી શકે. Double bond is generated, and after formation of double bond, then it will undergo a reaction. But very important things over here is whenever the choice is available, then you can have a Baeyer-Villiger oxidation also. Ketone group is available, then chances of Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. See here, suppose this double bond is there, and if you want to add metachloroperbenzoic acid, then of course epoxidation takes place. But see, epoxide ring is formed in exoside. Exoside is sterically less hindered. બહારની સાઈડ બતાવવાની હતી exoside. This is the exo product. If you having this type of compound which having two group, one methyl group is back side, one is front side, and here double bond is there, then see here epoxidation is take place in the side of here it is take place in the side of group. Sorry, side of this group, it is take place on close to neighboring group. આ ગ્રુપની અપોઝિટ સાઈડમાં આવે because of 1,3 diaxial type interaction. Chalo, any doubt in this reaction up to here? We have taken dual application of metachlorobenzoic acid as a Baeyer-Villiger oxidation reagent as well as epoxidation reagent. Is there any doubt? And another one is DMDO, dimethyl dioxide. Dimethyl dioxide reagent. So this is a very, very important reagent, DMDO. Basically, it is prepared by reaction of ketone and sulfuric acid in this way. So you may got this reagent. So in short, see, you required mixture. You may have a mixture of potassium salt of sulfonic acid, bisulfonic acid, KHSO4, and ketone. So you can have this reagent. And the applications of this reagent is, suppose you are having this group is on back side, on front side, and this group is on back side. This is on front side. So if you react it with DM acetone and in the presence of KHSO4, so ultimately it's a DMDO. So this double bond may undergoes epoxidation, but epoxidation take place with opposite side to this bulky group, close to this group. In this way, other things remains as it is. So this is one of the exceptional example of epoxidation reagent. Okay, so these are the epoxidation. Now, next reagent is PCC, application of PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. In order to get conversion of, especially oxidation, or you can say conversion of alcohol to aldehyde, primary alcohol to aldehyde, secondary alcohol to ketone, and tertiary alcohol may not undergo reaction. So you can have a very important reagent is PCC, that is pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate, it is oxidizing agent. This is nothing but mixture of pyridine, CrO3, chromate in the presence of acid HCl. So this is called pyridinium chlorochromate. You may got this type of salt. Protonation take place over here. This is a pyridinium ion plus and chromate ion, chlorochromate is having minus geometry. Minus. This is called pyridinium chlorochromate ion pair. So application is, its application is 1 degree alcohol may undergo oxidation to give PCC in the presence of CH2Cl2 as a solvent to give aldehyde. 2 degree alcohol is there, then what happens? 2 degree alcohol may undergo oxidation to give ketone. Degree alcohol does not undergo reaction. No reaction. 3 degree allylic alcohol may undergo reaction. May gets converted to ketone this way. This is called role of PCC. For example, if you having CH3, CH2, OH, then if you use a strong oxidizing agent, then reaction gets converted to carboxylic acid. But if you having PCC type mild oxidizing agent, then primary alcohol is converted to aldehyde. Suppose you are having cyclohexanol, secondary alcohol, you can use same reagent, then you may got cyclohexanol ketone. If you having such a tertiary alcohol, there is no chances to undergo reaction. No reaction. Mechanism is again very simple, but we are not going to mechanism. There is no need to waste the time. Or if you want to still understand mechanism, then I will explain here. It is a very simple job in order to carry out mechanism. Mechanism is, why I am explaining mechanism, because this is the one of the example of 3,3 sigma tropic, and that's why. SiO2 add karo so it is a 2,3 sigma tropic chair. Here it's a 3,3 sigma tropic, and that's why I have write down mechanism here. This is from here, and Cl is depart from here. So you may got CH3 CH2 O plus now this O minus abstract this proton charge gets neutralized. CH3 CH2 O Cr double bond O OH. This bond is break here. This is converted to aldehyde. This is now comes to here. So ultimately you are getting CH3 COOH plus Cr double bond O OH OH. But in the case of allyl alcohol, what happens? So this is allylic double bond. This is allyl alcohol. So if you use PCC, then reaction takes place here. CH3 C CH3. This double bond comes to here. 1, 2, 3. And here this carbon gets converted to this carbon number 2 gets converted to 3 gets converted to carbonyl carbon. This type of migration taking place where 3 atoms gets affected. So this is sometimes called 3,3 sigma tropic also. 3,3 sigma tropic type reaction. Especially rearrangement, it's a rearrangement. So double allylic carbon ઉપર oxygen insert થાય છે. So this is you can keep in mind. Suppose you are having OH group is over here and this is allylic double bond. Then if you use PCC CH2Cl2, then what happens? So here this is converted to ketone and double bond comes to here. Okay, so this is converted to ketone and double bond gets migrated. So this is called application of PCC. So is there any doubt in this reaction up to here? Okay, so thank you very much.